Yo, what's up guys? It's Dave here from DaseDesigns.com with a brand new video. Let's get straight to it. Alright guys, yo. So yeah, in today's video I wanted to bring y'all something super simple and easy, or just like straightforward I guess. So I got a kind of like the mixture between an eagle and a hawk Mascot logo for y'all to check out. I just banged this out. I really wanted just to make another video, just start putting out more content. I feel like content is important. And I haven't been putting enough emphasis on there, so that's kind of why this is why this is my second video this month so far. So yeah, that's a tip for anybody who wants to learn how to sell stuff, or like how to make money, or how to sell logos, or how to grow. You know, you got to put content out there. It's just a matter of finding the kind of content that you want to put out there, like a test process. So yeah, anyways, we're starting off in Sketchbook Pro, if you didn't already know. And yeah, like I said, this is kind of like eagle, hawk. I didn't really care for what kind of bird it was. I just wanted to be a dope ass, sharp, aggressive bird. I just wanted to be fire, have a lot of flow, be nice and bold and thick. So that's what you're working on, or watching me work on right now in Sketchbook Pro. So yeah, this one, like I said, was a quick one, and I wanted it to be quick. I wanted it to basically do it as fast as I could, just to see what I could pump out for a video. So this was kind of fun and really kind of experimental. You know, I really wanted this one to have a lot of flow and just kind of be a little unique, or, you know, just to kind of try something a little different with the word mark, as you guys will see later on in the sketching phase and in the video. And I bring up my word mark again because if you guys haven't seen my last video, I just released an Esports Font pack, which is fire. You guys have been loving it. A lot of you guys have been saying you really enjoy it, and it's getting a lot of great feedback. So yeah, I'm continuing to make my own custom like esports based fonts, and I just released another one today, and that is called Vicious. So yeah, this one's kind of like a sharp, smooth esports kind of font. Nothing too crazy. I wanted it to be simple, just have enough edge, you know, where it has like enough uniqueness to like your logo, just to switch it up a bit with the word mark. And there's like 3 weight variations, and it also has, it's like a display based, you know, typeface. So it's like perfect for headlines, word marks, and stuff like that. And it also has, you know, both uppercase and lowercase characters. So it's not just the all uppercase, it's more like a general font where you can use to type out paragraphs and stuff. Like I use that for the thumbnail and the outro clips on this. And then I also wind up using for the word mark, as you guys will see. And then back to that with the sketching, like I wanted it to have a lot of flow. I kind of, you know, the original name was going to be Fury, because I wanted like the feathers kind of started to take the shape of like fire and stuff like that. But honestly, I was just kind of like over fire and all this kind of shit, like red and orange. So as you even see, I kind of go with red and orange for the colors, but I wind up switching that all up and changing the name to Top Flight. And now it's going to be a super dope pre-made Mascot logo that's up for sale. Again, email in the description. But yeah, like I said, this one's going to be up for sale, and I changed it to Top Flight. I wanted it to be something cool. I thought that was a dope name, Top Flight. Like if I had like an esports team, again, Top Flight would be a fire name to have. It's just swaggy, it's fire, it's dope. And then the colors that I wind up going with are super dope too. You know, it's nothing crazy. I like to keep my logo simple, just to stick with that classic style and vibe. But yeah, it's still fire. It still has contrast. It pops, like some people say. I kind of hate when people say that, but yeah, it does that. You know, and yeah, so that's pretty much it for the logo. And then, like I said, you know, the new sports font Vicious just dropped. It's going to be $9.99 on Sellify, however you pronounce their website. So in case you guys want to get that, be sure to check that out by clicking the link in the description, the first one. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I want to keep it short and simple. I like doing these. That just, you know, gives out some great content, something dope for you guys to do, or something dope for you guys to watch. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy the logo and the finished design as well. Like I said, this was kind of spur of the moment again, just like my last video. So I wasn't sure, like when I was sketching, how great it was going to turn out. You know, there was some self-doubt, but you know, I just kept pushing through that. And last thing I wanted to mention, I actually forgot to include most of the font editing. I usually leave that out, but I put, once I remember that, I started recording again, and then here's where you guys can see where I can slightly manipulate just like the overall shape, where I get the word mark down, and then I further manipulate it to give it this dope flag vibe, and then just give it way more swag and way more style and stuff like that. So yeah, anyways, enough talking. I hope y'all enjoy it. Again, links in the description. New videos coming soon. I hope y'all enjoy the content. Much love and appreciation on all the support, guys. Derrick here from DaseDesigns signing out. Catch y'all in the next one. Peace.